So first you just want to download the Xampp server from Apache Friends and just download the latest version available for your operating system. So after your download is complete, just click on the installer. You will get some warnings, but just ignore them and just keep on clicking next until it starts installing the packages. So now after the installation is complete, simply open the control panel, and from here just start the Apache and MySQL server to start creating database in your CMD and also on phpMyAdmin. Another thing you can do here is to edit your environment variables so that whenever you want to use MySQL, you don't have to navigate to the folder that contains the executable, but you can just use MySQL from any directory that you are in. To do this, just go to the folder containing your Xampp installation and go to MySQL, then bin. So here is where the MySQL executable is located. So just copy the path and then go to your environment variables, edit the path, and add this as a new path. So now you can access MySQL from any directory. So here I just type MySQL -u, which means user. The current user is root and there is no password. So for the password, just press enter and then you are logged in. So now you can start creating your database. I'm just going to do a little demo to show you how to create database and maybe make a table. So if you don't want to use the CMD, you can just use phpMyAdmin. So what you have to do is just go to the control panel, Xampp control panel, and under the MySQL, just click the admin, and it automatically redirects you to phpMyAdmin page. And here you can just check out the tables that you have created prior or start creating new tables.